Hey Dana, and welcome to my vlog. And this is Project Ford. We're bringing the Ford Explorer in to have a new set of snow tires. Well, basically all season tires put on. The rear tires on this are now down to their change indicator marks, which is just under the head of a penny. And they're all right for summertime and rain, but they're not gonna be good in the winter. So we're gonna go ahead and get them changed out now, and we're gonna go with a set of Toyos. The ones that are on are a Wild Country. They're an off-brand, supposedly a Walmart brand, but we went to Walmart to see if they could put a set on, and they don't carry them anymore. So kind of out of luck on those tires. So we're gonna try the Toyos. All right. As you can see, there's your wear indicator right there. See how flat you are on it. So, like I said, this is fine. This is your drive tire here. So you've got, yes, you have tread, but you don't have much tread, and I don't want to deal with that in the winter. Here's the front. Here's the front. You can see there's a lot more tread in the rear or in the front one, and going to put this in the rear, and then the brand new ones will go in the new ones will go in the front. You want those in the front for steering, because of your steering capabilities. This one's a little worse. So yeah, this would be fine in the summertime when it rains and stuff like that, but you definitely don't want it in ice and snow conditions, and you go with the front again, which is in much better condition. And these are Wild Country radials, and they were supposedly a Walmart brand at one time, and here are the new ones with the new tread. And these are Toyo Open Country. Really nice tread, and that's what you definitely want in the wintertime. And as you can see, this is examples of worn tires down to their maximum depth. None of these you'd want to put back on another vehicle. They're all really down, basically gone. Gives you an idea where you want to be when you time to change your tires. It's just that's the way it goes. There's some brand new ones. And these are the Winter Force. And Winter Force here, and I can tell you that let's see, these are a Winter Force, worn out Winter Force, and a brand new Winter. Again, the Winter Force are a snow tire. You really don't want to drive all these around year round with them, because they are a soft tire. You're not going to get that much mileage.